Homemade recipes and hair mask for hair loss. People try so many homemade recipes for hair loss. This is because such recipes are affordable and are mostly free from side effects. In this video, you will learn about some popular homemade recipes for hair loss. Rose seed oil is good for damaged hair. Massaging this for some time on the scalp helps in reducing hair loss. Another popular home remedy for hair loss is jojoba oil. This remedy is great for people with dry hair. Applying this oil on hair and scalp for around half an hour and then washing it out will reduce hair damage and hair loss. Another effective homemade recipe for treating hair loss is making a mixture of apricot kernel oil, sweet almond oil, and olive oil. Apply this mixture for 20 minutes and wear the shower cap. Then gently wash away the oils using shampoo. This remedy is very useful for people having hair loss problem. Apart from this, applying onion juice and lemon juice on scalp can also give you beautiful and healthy hair. Using homemade shampoos made out of dried herbs is also effective for hair loss. It is vital that you use the remedy or recipe depending upon your hair type and the kind of hair problems you may have. Is this video being helpful? Then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Homemade hair mask for hair loss. Hair treatments in the hair salon or parlors are often very costly. And thus, it is vital to know some things about homemade hair mask for hair loss. This is because such hair masks are effective and affordable. What you require is just a few household items for making such hair masks. However, hair mask must suit your hair type. Learn some detailed information about hair masks for treating hair loss problems. 1. Dry hair and damaged hair. Take 1 smashed banana, 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix them all together. Apply this mixture on wet hair and leave it for an hour. Then you must wash out your hair. It nicely nourishes the hair and helps in reducing the loss of hair. 2. Oily and greasy hair. Make a mixture out of 1 egg yolk, lemon juice, some honey and 1 tablespoon of burr root oil. Apply this mixture and keep it for half an hour and then wash it off. This herbal mask will help in bringing back shine in the hair and in avoiding hair loss. 3. Normal hair. Take some olive oil, honey, rosemary essential oil and mix them all together. Put this hair mask on your hair for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with shampoo. This is an effective and healthy hair mask for normal hair which helps in prevention of hair loss and nourishes your hair and scalp. We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.